Alright guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these Grinch lip balm templates with the lip balm card holder. And this template is available. I will place the link to the template in the description and also the link to all of the supplies used. So first we're just going to show you quickly how to use the template, and this is in Canva and it's editable in Canva. So here's the template in Canva, and all that you're going to do, if you do decide to purchase this template from my website, you will receive a PDF file, and that's for any template at all. When you purchase a template, you will receive a PDF file. All that you would do is click on the link to open the editable template in Canva. If the link will directly bring you to Canva, and if you already have a Canva account and you're logged in, it allows you to just go ahead and start your design. If you are new to Canva, create an account, whether it's the free account or the pro version, and then you can start doing your edits. So this right here is the lip balm card. This is the card holder. So this is where, right down here is where you're going to actually place the lip balm in one of the cases, the lip balm cover cases. And again, as I mentioned before, I will show you guys the link to that as to where you can purchase that. I purchased it from Amazon, but I will just provide you with the exact direct link. Now you can edit and add a from for the name here, or you could add to whoever you would like to gift it to. And you can just make changes. If you want to go ahead and change out the background, you can definitely go ahead and do that. If you want to move the characters of the Grinch around, you can also go ahead and do that. Very important to delete this part right here, because this is just for guide purposes, for you to know where you're going to place that. This right here is the area where you're going to place the lip balm. So further down, so you just have another, this is just another template, just an extra one for there. And then, so the template includes also the lip balm itself. So the template is a 2-in-1. You receive the lip balm holder card and the actual lip balm sticker label. So this is the sticker label that you'll be placing on the actual lip balms. The lip balms as well that I use, I purchased them from Amazon because I like the option that I can buy them in bulk. I think I get like a big tub for about 60 or 80 lip balms in there, and it has the sticker for the seal. It seals the lip balm, which is a plus as well. They do have the options where you can purchase the empty lip balm casing, and if you want to take your DIY step even further, you can make your own lip balms and then add it to the casing of the lip balm. But I don't do that. I just purchased the already made lip balms and they're all various scents. But again, the important thing for me is that they're in bulk and that they also have the seal on them. So this as well comes with 2 templates that you could just edit these, change out the background, and then you can add the name either to or from, or add both. And then that's how you would edit your lip balm sticker label. So once you've printed off your lip balm card holder, I've already did these examples as you see here. So you would just basically cut it out as I've done. You're gonna just cut it out, trim around there. You can fit on an 8.5 sheet of paper. You can fit 4 of these lip balm cards on a 8.5 sheet paper. And for the lip balm sticker label, you can fit 15 of these on an 8.5 by 11 paper. So this paper that I'm using here is the Koala brand. This is a 61 pound, and actually let me show you guys 1 second. So this is the paper that I use for the card. Okay, and the sticker paper for the labels, I'll link that in the description box. So this is glossy sticker paper. This right here, this that I'm using is glossy sticker paper. And once you do that, you're just going to cut out one of these, just like this one right here. I'm just going to cut that out. So now for supplies, all that you're going to need. So these are the lip balms, as I mentioned, that I use. I just got a new order of these. So these are the lip balms. And let me see exactly how many comes in it. So it's 60. There's 60 lip balms in here. And as I said, the main things that I like is that it has the safety seal. It's an assortment of different flavors or scents. So you'll need lip balms for this. You'll also need, these are, well, I'm going to show you one that's without this on here because I placed this sticker on here. So you would need one, these domes. This can be used for money or lip balms. You need these little plastic domes. There's some options that come with these stickers. However, there's also some options that do not come with the stickers, like these smaller ones here. So if you ever choose to purchase one that does not come with the sticker, or you make a purchase on Amazon and you didn't realize that it didn't come with a sticker that can be placed on these, then there are craft glues that you can use to just place them on here, and they dry clear. So these are the different glues that I use. It's gonna either be this brand right here, Aleene's Quick Tacky Glue, or you can also use this one here too. So this both of these, you can get these at Michael's or Amazon. Okay, so you can get those glues. And then aside from that, all you will need as well is a pair of scissors to cut. I like to use this Cricut tool to take the part off of this sticker to peel it off. I like to use this Cricut tool. And then aside from that, that's really all you need to be able to do this project. Now, Christmas is just around the corner. And this will be a great DIY to do either for additional income for the Christmas holidays, or just to hand out and give as little stocking stuffers, classroom gifts, and even so classroom gifts, stocking stuffers, party favors, that you can give these out to, or even give them out to your coworkers. So we're just gonna jump right into real quickly here the tutorial as to how to assemble these. Okay, so as you guys can see from the first one that I've already done right here, it doesn't come off this dome. It's basically stays and adheres onto this glossy photo paper. Again, the glossy photo paper that I'm using is the 61-pound option. You can use the 48-pound option with the Koala brand. And I'm just going to show you how I get this onto the lip balm card. So as I said, I like to use this little tool here, Cricut tool, to peel this part off. And if you don't have this Cricut tool, that's completely fine. You can still just use your hand and do it. It just works out easier for me to do it this way. Very important usually is that piece that was in the piece that was around it. It's best to put your lip balm in there first, then remove this layer here. So very important, because I've already taken off this part. Very important to place the lip balm. You want to place the lip balm face down with the cap facing towards the left, because I'll show you why. So face down. And be very careful too, because you have to be very careful. If you already take this layer off like what I've done, and you accidentally let the lip balm touch this sticky part right here, it will peel off your design. It will ruin the design, and you'll have to end up doing it all over again. So now You're going to turn it over, and you guys see why I mentioned that the white cap should be facing towards the left when you're first inserting it into the dome. So now you have it lined up the correct way, and I want to just roll it to it says so it says the Merry Grinchmas. So that's what's going to be showing. And you're going to take your card and you're just going to line it up. Line this up. Once you do this, you cannot take this off and try to fix it. You'll have to just do it all over again and do a new one. And then you just press it down firmly. Press it down. Press it down, and then that's it. You're done. If you're using the glue, the options with the glue, with the domes that do not have the adhesive, if you're using this option, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to place your lip balm in the dome. And you see these ones here, they fit good. They fit. This one here obviously has more space to it. This one here does not. It's a super tight fit, which is still good. It works perfectly fine. And again, this works for money or the lip balm. So you're going to put it inside, and then you will just be putting the glue, just a generous amount along the rim of here, and you'll be sticking it and placing it on the card. But then now, if you're using the glue option, you just want to give it an extra little, pressing it down a little more firmly, holding it down, and then holding it down. You will see the residue of the glue being white. You will see that it's white along the edges, but it dries clear. So don't be alarmed and don't worry too much about that, but just put a generous amount of glue along it, not too much. And a good tip of this is as well, you want to wait for the glue to be a little tacky before you put it down. Don't apply the glue and then just put this down right away. Let the glue sit for a little bit and get a little bit tacky, and then you can place it down on the card. Right? And once you do that, you've just created for yourself an easy DIY Christmas gift, right? Or an easy DIY side hustle for the Christmas. Choice is yours, and the opportunities are endless as to what you can use these for. And these are not just for Christmas. So if you purchase this template, just bear in mind that you can use this again for other celebrations, other occasions. So as I mentioned, I'm going to place the link for the template in the bio. I'll also be placing in the description box. And I'll also be placing the links for the supplies needed in the description box. So if you guys have any questions about this, let me know. I know we've skipped right over Halloween and we went straight to Christmas, but Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I'm okay with that. I don't know if anyone else feels the same. I will be posting some Halloween tutorials as well for some Halloween, easy DIY Halloween things that can be done. So stay tuned for that. And thank you all so much for subscribing and engaging with liking or commenting on the post. Your positive comments are also very much appreciated, and welcome to everyone who are new to the channel. I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So take care.